Alright guys, back again. So, tool review day, because I am trying to get rid of stuff. But, just giving my thoughts on the performance of these things in the time that I've had them. Right, the Repco Orbital sander from the same brand as actually these fellas. Cheapest chips. I think they're only about $30 odd here in Australia. Probably get them in New Zealand too. I'm not 100% sure of that because I haven't been to Bunnings in New Zealand yet. Well, I have been, but not in recent times, and I haven't discovered these. So, but yeah, like for a cheap DIY guy that's going to do maybe a paint job every now and again, or if it's just one that you're going to use to, once in a blue moon, it's probably going to be perfect. I think they've got a 3-year warranty for that kind of money. Yeah, because I've got a good one over home, but that works brilliant. With a decent air compressor up its arse, it just keeps going and going and going. How long it will last, I do not know because I haven't had to use the crap out of it yet, but I have used it fairly extensively on the Dodge. Not as much as I would have liked to because I haven't had a chance to get the Gold Girl finished, but I would recommend that for somebody that doesn't want to spend a lot of money but wants something that's going to do the job well. And the little die grinder, again, I've used it a bit. I haven't used it heaps yet to see what its longevity is like, but it's done everything that I've wanted to do. It's got plenty of grunt. I have struck the odd one over time where they don't seem to have a lot of power, but that works brilliantly. And it was really cheap. I think it was under $20. And that's actually one thing I'm going to keep. I'm going to throw that in my bag. Whether I take it to the States or not, I don't know, but I might just leave it back in New Zealand with all my other tools. And another little one I've got over here, which I'll just grab. I'm going to take this with me too. So this was from, well, that was from Bunnings, and that was from Bunnings over here in Australia, which is a big tool place, a bit like Home Depot and all that sort of stuff over, I guess, over in America. And this was from Repco, which is a auto parts store. And this is where it's been bloody brilliant too. I've loved this little thing. And that's in something else I'm going to pop in my bag to take back to New Zealand. Whether I take it to the States, I don't think so, but I'll just be bloody handy in my kit because a lot of this other stuff I've got back in New Zealand. I've got plenty of sockets, plenty of spanners. To be honest, I wouldn't mind taking a couple of hammers, but I'm not too stressed about that because I've got stuff over home. But some of the ones I've made I wouldn't mind keeping, but I'll see how my bag goes. But I haven't got one of these right angle ones, and I've only got one other die grinder, so I wouldn't mind just keeping those two. Again, they're not big. I can give them a clean down, a wipe up, throw them in my bag, and then keep that little roll-lock fitting. They're as cheap as chips to buy, but it'll be handy, and I can throw up my tools over home, and if the old man wants to use it doing any panel work that he wants to do, because he's got a few cars he's got to eventually tidy up as well, so he's welcome to use that. So yeah, that's probably a couple of things I'd take home. This here was, I think, was $40 or $50, so it was a bit more expensive than that, but it's been brilliant. I've used the crap out of it. For the time that I've had it and used it, I have used the crap out of it. It's been a brilliant little thing. Yeah, so whether it actually gets all the way to States, I don't know. I'll decide when I get to New Zealand in the next few weeks, once I get a couple more things sorted out and we get the old girl out there sold. So I thought today would be tool review day, and I'll put a whole heap of videos up on all these things. Alrighty, cheers.